recently been asked on my social media platforms, why am I getting lint on my walls when I'm rolling my walls? So I'm gonna give you some information why that's happening and how to resolve it. So rollers themselves, your 9-inch rollers and your 4-inch rollers, they're gonna be made of some type of material that even if they say lint free, I don't know if you can see that, but right there, I just picked off some of those lints on this roller. When I load up my roller and initially start rolling, those lints are gonna transfer from my roller and right onto a wall. You're not gonna notice that on a wall like this, but if you do it on a smooth wall, level 5 finished walls, you're gonna see those lints all over the wall, and when it dries, you're gonna have to sand them off and repaint your wall. So one of the things we do as professional painters is we always de-lint our rollers. It's a simple little process. All right, now I'm gonna show you, how you could just quickly de-lint your roller. So you just take an inexpensive tape. It can be just whatever production tape you have, laying around. I'm just gonna wrap my roller up in tape, just like this. Then I'll just put it right back on my frame, and then I'll just unwrap it. Once you unwrap it, I'll show you right there. Hopefully you can see that. There's a lot of lints on that roll right there. All those lints would eventually transfer right to your wall. Now you can use tape to de-lint your roller. You can just take it out like you're actually cleaning it with water in a hose and spin it clean, and that pre-wets it. So it kind of like preconditions the roller to start rolling. I do that method quite often. If you got a hose available that has a short spigot on it that'll shoot it fast, do that. And there's one other method you could use with tape. I'll show you how you can use this method to de-lint your roller also. This second method right here, de-linting a roller, does take more tape. So, if you don't want to waste tape, if the tape is expensive, then you want to do the other method. You just like this, get a roll of tape stretched out. Now just roll my roller, let on the tape just like that, and that's going to de-lint your roller. So there's a couple methods to de-lint it so you don't transfer the lints from your roller to your wall, especially on a smooth finished wall, so you don't have that disaster that you have to fix or clean up later.